Good morning mga kachika. Magpapa-plancha daw siya ng hair niya. Sobrang late na namin nagising. Late na naman natutulog kagabi eh. Alas 9 na kami nagising. Ako 9:40 na ako nagising. Alas 10 na pala mga kachika. Ito mas nauna itong gumising. Lumipat dito sa amin.
There you go.
That's it. Beautiful. Good morning, Tita Garmali.
What are you doing?
Ayun na Lisa siya.
Go. Let's go casting.
Okay, done. Okay, go back. Go get you. Get the hair back. Feel na yung straight na yung buhok niya. Ay.
We can run.
Nice, no? Malagkad to ganda.
Are you
look
doing
like...
yours?
No. Feel na yung straight hair niya. Nahiya siya dito manalamin kasi nandyan. Pupunta yun doon sa bedroom niya. Doon sa, sa mirror niya. Paalis na sana ako mga kachika. Alam niyo, lakas ng ulan. Kung sinampay pa naman ako yung mga Dubai cover ni Alina. Bed sheet. Tsaka yung towel. Na, kasasampay ko lang kasi mainit kanina eh. Tingnan mo. Ulan araw. Ito muna tayo mga kachika. Ito na tayo mga kachika. Nagdala ako ng bihisan kasi pupunta ako ng town. Pupunta yun namaya dito yung mga bata. Ihatid ni Mr. Tapos, dalhin ko yung mga bata sa town. Mamaya pa daw sila kung mag-ikot-ikot lang muna sa ako sa town. Then, yun. Pupunta sila. Si Mr. na naman yung mag-gym. Hindi ko na lang tanggalin yung aking shirts. Yan, sabi na. Kaso nagkaroon ako. Sinabihan ko yung sa Alina na dalhin niya yung aking sandals. So, ibaba ko lang kaunti yung aking socks. Okay na yan, style na din ito mga kachika. Fashion. Kasi magbili ako ng mga Binigyan ko si Elena ng backpack para sa kanyang, sa pasukan ba? Si Salisa kasi may nakita niyan siya na backpack sa is gusto niya yung Hello Kitty. So doon ko yung bibilhin yung kanya. Kay Alina naman, ano, yun nga, magpabili daw siya ng Nike. Tama ba tuman ko? Tama mo. Ma is not drinking wine.
It's not drinking.
Maybe there is something. Pag-eat mo your sandwich first.
What's happening? Is it drinking now?
Lift up so you cannot eat the bubble.
Can I
Lift
mix
up.
it? Can I mix it? You take this up.
No, no, don't. It's gonna be messy. It's gonna be messy. Be, I'm gonna go to the toilet first, yeah?
Yeah. Can you take the hand?
Kabog utot. Ngutog ka, Lisa?
No.
Kabaho. What's that smell? Ew.
Oh, sorry. It's like, they're just look.
Eh, Nike. Nice.
Mama.
Kabaho sa utot. You have that one? No?
Yeah, over this.
You have this?
But aren't.
But you know this one, this is very big. The what?
Yeah,
It's really for boys.
Mama,
And that one is smaller, so this is for girl.
Mama, that's a.
See?
Yeah, I'll get this.
You want that one?
Yeah, probably this.
Like one for nursery. You're not in nursery anymore. Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah.
Luna.
Yeah.
Get that one.
Yeah, I like monkey because when it's like when it gets
Okay, you
dark,
put back.
when you go like school trips.
Hmm.
How about this? Well, for school trips, I
Big.
get different backpacks. I really want the helicopter.
Hello Kitty one is too thin. Gusto niyo yung Hello Kitty kaso sobrang nipis. Mas 14 pounds,
To make
16
it
pounds.
cellular, I'll get keychains.
Hmm. Mas maganda pa yun nandun sa M&S
Can I go
na
this way one more time?
20
Lisa,
pounds.
The Cable Deal the Hunters one that looks nice. It looks like the Cable Deal Hunters.
I like that one in M&S na 20 pounds. That's better. That one, gusto niya din yan.
I like this better.
You like that one better? This one naman is Skechers na brand. Smile and Shine Skechers. You like that?
I need to pull this up. I want to go with the pink one first. And we can.
Yeah, I get their backpacks.
Oh,
50 pounds easy for
No.
two.
no. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Laughing.
We can do with the old backpacks then.
That's extra.
Wait, how many backpacks they got?
Why are you laughing?
You want me to cry?
Yeah.
My bank account is crying.
You're laughing.
Yeah. Nakakaiyak yung gastusin pag lalabas ka ng ganito. Easy yung ano? Yung pera. Lumilipad. Pag mo, pag may trabaho ka talaga, doon mo ma-realize kung paano mag-ano ba. Okay. Yung trabaho ka. Tapos doon mo ma-realize na kung paano ba kikitain yung pera, mahirap kitain yung pera. Tapos, ang dali gastusin. Kaya at least nabili ko na yung backpack niya. So, buti na lang din dito. Unlike in the Philippines, Daddy, you have to buy everything. School supplies, it's gonna cost a lot of money too, especially if you have 2 or 3 children.
More than one child.
More than one child, cost more because you have to buy school supplies, not just uniform, backpack, and shoes. You have to buy as well the, the need in school. So, unlike here dito mga kasi bibili ka lang ng backpack, kung gusto mo bilan yung mga backpack, uniform talaga kasi sa isang taon din dito, 2 beses. Bali, 2 yung uniform nila. Iba sa winter, iba din pag yung mag-spring na, ganun. So, 2 beses ka bibili. Kasi gaya nung noong...
Look, look,
What?
my dad,
Oh, yeah.
the cat.
Oh, the cat there, doing like this. Yes, there. Gaya nun, yung mga uniform na pang summer ni Alina, hindi na niya yun nasusuot. So, bibili na naman ako ng bagong mga pang summer clothes na uniform niya noong summer. Kasi hindi na makasya sa kanya. Pati kay Alisa, hindi na din makasya. So, yung iba na kay Alina. No, I don't want my window down. Yung kay Alina naman, pwede ko pa ipamana kay Alisa. Depende kung wala pang mancha-mancha. Pero yun, ganun na. Bibili ka ng cardigan, bibili ka ng tights. Skirt, top. Ganun, tie pa. Inside na, inside. I-harvest ko na nga to. Kaya isa na lang. Ilagay, yeah, only one left.
Now it's... Oh, I can't do the
Last one. Ilagay ko yan sa aking...
Let's see what it is. What is Spain and what is England? So we're gonna have to... The players are gonna have a race. Which one's gonna win this World Cup?
And then I'm going to harvest my tomato.
Okay.
Nanog na. Ay, ano pa. Ayan.
Alina,
Sige na mo.
can you see my piece?
That's it na.
It's only for this taste. Which taste? So can you have a pick? Oh yeah. I can do a vertical pick.
Ang laki ng sibuyas ko.
Oh yeah. What time is it?
Alina, can you just listen to me na?
9 o'clock. I'm going sleep at 10 o'clock today. I usually go to bed at inside.
Are you happy with your backpack?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Oh, what
Are
is
you
that?
excited?
Mom, what is that?
What it says here?
Like on here.
Skechers. Skechers brand. That one. So are you sure you're having that one, not the Mickey Mouse?
No.
No,
I love this
not Mickey Mouse, sorry. Not the Hello Kitty, the red one in M&S.
Yeah, it's in the mirror.
Okay, have a look in the mirror.
It's good. It's cool.
Yeah. Nice, no?
It's good.
Mm.
Gonna wear that later.
Mm. You're gonna use that one.
My friends are I'm gonna show my friends. My friends, I got new backpack. Is it? Can I put my uniform like next time?
Yeah, we have to buy your new uniform as well. New uniform, new school shoes.
My new school shoes are very old,
That's old now, so you need to buy new one.
and my school uniform and my uniform are old. But my backpack, all of my backpacks are very old. My backpack is very old, and I have a new one.
Yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Na, dali na. Okay, you put it back in the bag, the shopping bag, before it will get dirty. Yeah.
I'll
Okay.
put this in my room.
Okay.
Let me put this in my room bag. Just play. Look at mine.
There's a print on it.
Mama, look. Look. It's good. I like it.
Are you happy with your bag?
Yeah, it's just don't. It doesn't like when I it doesn't the mud doesn't like show. Like if for school trips, it doesn't like. Dad, I have an Elsa pack. Elsa pack lunch, and I can put it in my backpack. I want a Nike pack lunch. Oh, bottle. Can you look in online bottle? And we
May have a
can.
look.
Yeah, and we can buy new bottles. Oh yeah, there's a little
New
zip.
water bottle.
Look.
When you open you can open it so it will wider for your, make it bigger space.
I have two. Are you gonna buy new uniform? Just make sure it's fit for okay. More space. I'm gonna buy new uniform in the cafe.